1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We live? Boom. Let's work. You are now watching Working Wednesday, show 22. I know. Crazy news. Wine a Week Wednesday is now Working Wednesdays. Same real advice, fresh new name. Let's get to work. My goal this show is to show you an update of how a healthy investment account or total amount of money goes up and down. Show you how to measure quick and easy if majority of people are scared right now or excited. And how to measure their temper, whether they are anxious or calm. Then I'll show you the construction of the investment account I'm building, which we call the inflation portfolio, by playing our game as we talk about the money with wine or weed and put it on a scale for a rebalance and alignment. And last, we will learn how to tell if one of the top 500 companies in America we know, love, and probably use is buried in deep debt or not. It's that time to go over the disclaimer. Use this show for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary. Take the information from the show to use to further your own research before investing. All investments and trades have risks, so consult with a licensed professional and do your own research, folks. When the information is good, remind a friend to tell another friend to like and subscribe. While it's free, this is $100,000 worth of information. Boom. First, let's sit down at the table and check in on the numbers together as a family. Let's look at the money. Almost like an economist, let's pull up the Fear and Greed Index to see where we at today. But quickly, folks, what is the Fear and Greed Index? It's like a weather forecast for money, measuring how people are feeling about the stock market. Fear is like a rainy storm. People are scared to be outside, so they're selling shares. So that makes the market go down. Greed is like a sunny day. People are emotionally excited outside and buying shares, so stocks are going up. We're at a 24 today. This is extreme fear. The VIX, or the volatility index, is at 18.43 today. That means people are feeling a little uneasy. Like when your homies start acting different before the rent due. Like not full panic mode. My eyes are open around the house. Stay on point, my boy. And what is the VIX? It's like a nervous meter to measure if majority of the people are calm or anxious. This makes sense, and I just made you feel more comfortable with stocks. Put a yes in the comments. Also, so in the comments, let me know what I could have done better to induce you to actually invest in the companies missed out on February 25th. I really want to know, because if you are walking in front of a moving car and a truck is parked nearby, I need to push you into the truck, whether you wanted me to do it or not. This is me being accountable. Let's get into the show and start tonight. Pull up the account for the people to look at the money. The inflation portfolio is weed today. If you don't know what we mean when we talk like that around here, it just means our number is getting higher. We're in the green. What does in the green mean? Green means our money is making money. Today, my total amount of money in the account is $157,315.59. Today, I have a gain of $7,123.46 as the bold green number at the bottom. Shout out to investing with close friends, start team in 4-figure days. This is $100,000 worth of information. If you can read an account overview better and you understand what you're looking at as a beginner, say yes in the comments below. Like and subscribe, folks. Info is important. Next, let's talk about the money. Say it. Let's talk about the money. Neal Jones Invest, Star Poppy, the real investor. Talk about they money, young. Let's play wine or weed. First, we see the ticker symbol META. Meta next to a dollar amount, which is called what? If you've been in my start team investing with close friends, you know your homework. What is this dollar amount called? It's called a strike price. Yes, this is not investing. This is long-term trading. This is the option play, folks. And what is an option? It's a deal we make on a company's future price. So how do we read this? First, recognize the symbol. Ask Siri or Google what is stock META. We will see it as the company Meta Platforms, also known as Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and WhatsApp. So say Meta with a strike price of $710 by September 19th, 2025. All that is what we see right there. I'm up on my money, making $534 today as the bold green number. If you can look up a ticker and recognize the tickers now, say yes in the comments when you see this part for me. PANW is what, folks? Palo Alto Networks. Boom. Easy, right? If not, it's okay. Great. This week, I'm on that wine. Nigga, don't nobody say that. This week, I'm on that wine. I'm down negative $650. A-net striking $122.50 by September 19th. I'm down half of my money I put in. Negative $2,560. Apple Inc. or AAPL. What is this, folks? When there's no strike price, we back working in the kitchen. Like, stop playing, turn this stove up. When we talking about options, we working in the field. The risk is higher. When we working in the kitchen, it's still risk, but it's better managed and easy as long as you know the recipe and keep working it over and over. This is a stock. Apple is what I buy and hold. Any stock you're gonna see me invest in is a long-term play. So when I say long-term and when I say buy and hold, it's the same thing. I have $53.10 and I'm up 4.5% after just 2 weeks of being invested. This is why I don't save money in the bank. In a high yield savings account, they would have took a whole year to give me that. This is in 2 weeks. This is $100,000 worth of information, folks. Vanguard S&P 500 or VOO this week is in the green today, giving me $1,902 today. That is a 16% profit for me today, as you can see as the small green number. Nvidia striking $150 by June 20th, 2025. Is it wine or weed, folks? I'm losing a negative $536 today. My Amazon, Google, and Eli Lilly options are all wine in the market and in the red for me today. Eli Lilly and Company as a stock, though, for me today is up 25%. I'm making 4 figures from buying and holding. Today I have $5,617.80 in profit from just this stock. Microsoft, BlackRock, and JP Morgan are all weed in the market for me this week. JP Morgan is 81%, folks. Good job, Cornelius. That was wine or weed this week. If I easily presented the construction of a portfolio, put a yes in the comments. Now move along. Let's pull up and slide on drill or trap this week. This is where and when we're going to break down whether an investment is a kill or a keep. Quickly breaking down 3 companies. Drill means we're killing and eliminating the investment or the ideal of investing money into a company or position. Just like in drill music or in military combat drills, if it don't work, it's out of here. We don't care if it's cool or a trend at the moment, which real always rise to the top away from the fate that shakes down and lacks sustainability. Hey, watch when the trend dies. So does their potential. Remember that. And trap is the opposite. This is when we make money and stay locked in. The company is built to last and fundamentally strong to create long-lasting wealth. You get what I'm saying? You can play along, folks. Say drill at any time or say trap at any time in the comments. First is Broadcom, ticker AVGO, drill or trap. The company Broadcom Incorporated, gross profit for 2022, $22,095,000,000. 2023, $24,690,000,000. And 2024, $32,509,000,000. And what does gross profit mean? Or what is gross profit? It's just the money a company makes after paying for the stuff it sells. It shows how good a business is in turning products into cash. Broadcom's diluted earnings per share for 2022, $2.65. 2023, $3.30. 2024, $1.23. What is diluted earnings per share? It tells us how much profit a company makes per share of stock for all stock options and bonuses turned into shares, showing real value if more shares was to hit the market. If the EPS is higher than last year or last quarter, that means the company is making more money over time. Another term for EPS is earnings per share. So when you hear earnings per share, or you hear me say EPS, or you see EPS anywhere, EPS and earnings per share is the exact same thing. Broadcom in 2024 had a lower diluted earnings per share than both 2023 and 2022 and 2021. Is this opportunity or a change in Broadcom's story? Look, that's homework for stock team. Is this opportunity or a change in the store for Broadcom? Today, this is Broadcom's 1 month, 1 year, and 5 year chart. Last 30 days is down just 1.26%. The last 365 days is up 63%. Last 5 years is up 623%. Good job, Cornelius. See, drill trap is to be determined until we have all research. Stock team tonight before we start our calls. Look, research and find out if this is a change in its story or is this an opportunity. Find out what happened in 2024 for the company. Like, is it lower profitability? Is it increased costs? Or is it economic or industry challenges? When we find out then is when we can tell if the CEO can overcome the problem. And if he can't, spin the block and complete the drill for the company. Own the company, all right? If he can, let's trap. So is Broadcom, ticker AVGO, a good investment today? Let's trap. Next is Lululemon, ticker LULU, drill or trap. The company Lululemon Athletica Incorporated, gross profit for 2022, $3,608,565,000. 2023, $4,492,340,000. And 2024, $5,609,405,000. It's continuing to make more money year after year. This is what we like. Diluted earnings per share for 2021, $4.50. 2022 is $7.49. 2023 is $6.68. 2024 is $12.20. Today, this is Lululemon Athletica's 1 month, 1 year, and 5 year chart. Last 30 days is down 8%. The last 365 days is down 20%. Last 5 years, it's up 49%. 49% is close to averaging a 10% gain each year. A company like this is perfect to show on this show. No one can explain it like Neal do. Is it drill or trap? Okay, dot. For drill or trap, for me, it's a drill, but I see why a lot of people will go trap. And if this was link block or drop off, this would be a quick smash, a drop off, a company to trade, but not to invest. And United Airlines Holdings Incorporated. United Airlines gross profit for 2022 is $10,640,000,000. For 2023, $15,199,000,000. And these 12 trailing months, these past 12 months, $15,669,000,000. And it's digging itself out of diluted earnings per share. In 2020, negative $25.30. For 2021, $-6.10. For 2022, $2.23. 2023, $7.98. In these 12 trailing months, these last 12 months, $8.39 so far. Drill or trap. These are his charts for 1 month, 1 year, and 5 years. For some, they would say trap. That's why the prices continue to go up. But for me, it's drill simply because if it got an engine that'll break, I don't invest in it. Repairs are expensive and a liability. Drop drill or trap in the comments, folks. Say yes in the comments if you like this show so far. That's the only way I know, folks. Building a community for us to come together, learn, and make money. Let me know something in the comments. I ran out of time tonight for link block and drop off. So that's all tonight, folks. Like and subscribe or like and share this show so I can keep making videos like this for free. Follow me on Instagram at Neal Jones Invest. If you were able to watch till here, put a yes in the comments. And remember, when we learn together in groups and collaborative learning, people retain information better, solve problems more effectively, stay motivated, and develop critical thinking skills better. So what better way to do it over wine or weed? The new show, working Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern next week, Wednesday on YouTube. This is Neal Jones Invest with $100,000 worth of information. Boom.